to airmen. It takes years to become a pilot, and just one ride to feel that one.
Are you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, 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 go.
Engines activated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's it. You're walking in the right street ride. This is it, you're in. If you'd like to ride the next ride, come on, mate, take it in the front side. Okay, runners, let me see everybody's hands in the sky. Come on, everybody, put the hands up high. Yeah, you ready to fly? If you want to go faster, somebody scream! You know what I mean, let's go! On the way to the sky, are you ready to fly? Slowing you down and spinning you round and around. Is it wicked? You loving it, loving it, loving it? Yeah, let's say it one more time. Let's go crazy now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
It is the fastest one on the fair. We're gonna take it. For the last time, somebody scream! Rockin' in the UK, somebody scream!
No, they don't teach you.
Pay in the day box if you would like to ride.
Yeah, come on if you like to ride, it is an drive, buy your ticket out. Try it, like it,